Hey everyone, Dr. Nick here with Land of Physical Therapy. For those of you who do or know someone who does experience pain in the nether regions, with only a few household items, I'm going to show you how to make a cold pack that snugly fits that convoluted pleasure palace that is your pelvis. So go ahead, grab your water, get out your rubbing alcohol, and last night's condom from the soiree you struck out at. The condom is here so we can make our solution. What you do is fill it up with 3/4 water, and then the other quarter is going to wind up being your rubbing alcohol. If you don't have rubbing alcohol, go ahead and grab your vodka of a higher proof from your freezer, and you can fill it up with that. But the reason we need alcohol is not to drown our sorrows away, but so that way when you go ahead and throw it into the freezer, it doesn't wind up solidifying. We want it to be nice and malleable, so that way when we get you to use this on your pelvis, it forms very nicely to that different shape that it has. When you're doing it, go ahead, lie down, sit up, whatever's comfortable for you. Get it over the areas that are tender and keep it there for between 5 and 20 minutes. If you need to do it again, wait at least an hour. If this sounds like something that would help you or someone you know, head over to physicaltherapyatl.com and schedule your next appointment. Thank you for your time, and I hope that helped.